I'm appealing to the government, I'm appealing to the leaders outside there. If we don't do something for the widows, these people are going to die crying and cursing us. We are told that God is love. So if you cannot love somebody who is suffering, if you cannot do something about that person suffering, then you cannot say you love that person. I help all the churches. I cannot tell anyone that I built one particular church, no. But I always help all the churches in whatever humble way that I can. Because Joyce's role in the liberation struggle in the early days, when women's role was purely in the kitchen and giving birth, that was the time Joyce stood up. Please always remember Joyce Umpanga and her team, who did not only fight for liberation of Africa, not only to liberate holistically, but also to liberate women. Please always remember the role that Mama here has played.
Your Excellency, my people have told you here that they voted for you 80%. You have never called me to even give me a call.
But I think we have now developed what they call body language, that you can tell whether somebody is coming with good intention or somebody is coming with bad intention. So let's not only look at government. Government has done its best, a positive policy and programs in favor of women. We have looked into that and we have followed it up by enforcing it with pieces of legislation. Okay. For example, when we talk about the rights of women to access education, it means that we have to look at the education system holistically and be able to see where are women disadvantaged, able to embrace the women emancipation in their programs. At least African continent did extremely well in domesticating.
Oyo ye Cecilia Ogwal, bimu ku bigambo ebitonotono byetukukunga